Welcome back to another episode of the Mount Pleasant Minute. Today we are out here on Shem Creek unveiling the completion of an exciting project. Here in the Low Country, we love our shrimpers and we are excited to announce the completion of the renovation and rebuild of the Shem Creek Shrimp Docks and Shrimp Processing Facility. As part of this capital improvement project, we removed and replaced the boardwalk and the pier, creating a stronger structural design that will allow Mount Pleasant's shrimping operation to continue in a way that is both viable and safe. We also rebuilt the processing facility and included a new electrical system to support the shrimping fleet's needs. The stronger structure will help us to stay resilient against harsh weather conditions, and a new wider walking clearance for the shrimpers will improve accessibility for all visitors and workers. We here at the town are thrilled to celebrate the completion of these extensive repairs and improvements that we believe will ensure the continuation of Mount Pleasant's rich cultural heritage of shrimping and support for the local economy. Projects like these allow our community members to continue to provide fresh, locally sourced seafood to residents and visitors, preserving our legacy and keeping our operations both safe and modern. We look forward to sharing all of our future projects with you. Stay up to date with us on all social media at Mount Pleasant Gov. For now, we'll see you on the next Mount Pleasant Minute.